This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Hattie Brawley. Beautiful open floor plan on a quiet cul-de-sac in Arlington Snyder Plantation. 4 bedrooms, 1 full baths, half bath down. 2 full baths up. Large master bedroom closet. Neutral colors, arches, columns, large closets, extra floored storage, side entry with mudroom. Arlington Schools and close to the playground of dreams. Roof 8 years old. Upstairs HVAC 2 years old. Fresh mulch and flower beds. Enjoy the summer breeze under the covered patio with ceiling fans. Come see, come buy. For more information, review the details below or contact Hattie Brawley at 901-861-4808.